Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, does Credit Karma show TransUnion and Equifax reports? The short and simple answer is yes. Credit Karma does show credit reports and scores from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. It does not, however, show information from the third major bureau, Experian. The scores you see on Credit Karma are based on the VantageScore 3.0 model. This is different from the FICO score, which is the model most lenders use when you apply for a loan or credit card. While your VantageScore and FICO score will likely be in the same range, they won't be identical. Credit Karma is a valuable tool for monitoring your credit health because it offers free weekly updates on your TransUnion and Equifax reports and scores. You can use this to keep an eye on your accounts, track your progress, and spot any potential errors or fraudulent activity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.